Well, hello there, everyone. This is Shop Talk with Buck. I am Buck, and welcome to my shop. It's been a little bit since I've left a video. I have been working on gears. Let me bring y'all and show y'all the gears I've been working with. I had somebody send me a picture, said they wanted these SteamPunk gears. So I took that picture, and I mean, this is 24 inch, and it's like 51 inches. It's just almost what they were looking for. Yeah, 10 gears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is, yeah, that is, I got this little 12-volt motor. If y'all never fool with these little 12-volt motors, they don't get back. I mean, they are strong little motors, especially you got one geared down like that. Oh, if one ain't careful, they get their finger caught in this thing, yeah, it'll take it off. So we're gonna have to build this thing with a warning. This is things they sit on hang up on a wall, and it's an art, I guess. But I tell you what I thought about doing. The motor makes a little racket. Tell you what I've been thinking about doing is I don't know if I can. It's going to do some math. I don't know if it's way above me or not. I got a little thing right here I'm going to build to house that. And it's got some controls I'll put in it. It's all out of lack that they're going to paint it. But I got it from here to here 16 inches and from here to here 16 inches. That way they can pick them 3 studs out and they can hang this thing up on the wall. Plug it in, 110 outlet, and this has been interesting. Very interesting to build this thing. So I cut the wheels, the gears, out on CNC. But building the gears has been interesting. Figuring the gear ratios. But here I didn't have anything to... What I've been thinking about doing is building a clock. Kind of a different clock. Had the motor down here and the gears run up, and then have 3 gears, one from another. The back one would be the 24 hours or 12 hours. He'd go make a complete round in 12 hours, and then that would be the day, the minutes, and the one in front of it, every second, it'd make a lap. It's kind of what I've been kicking around, but I'll have to have the gear ratios and make everything work to make the minutes work right. Minutes, hours, you know, they'll all have to be geared correctly. So I thought about building one of them, but this has been one interesting job. Neat, really. But anyway, that's what I've been working on for 2 weeks, trying to figure this out. And we've got it. It'll turn and go the other way. Yeah, this type of stuff just fascinates me. So that's my gears. I have, you know, my other channel is Sawdust Solutions. So that's where I do my long formats, you know, the more detailed videos. Here we just talk about things. And the last couple of videos, I have been getting some more kind of comments, I'm telling you. Some say once you get these negative comments, you kind of arrived. Well, time will tell, but you know, so I've been kind of waiting for these negative comments, and they're beginning to show up. But I thought it would make me mad or hurt my feelings, but they're not. Like one guy, he couldn't stand the way I talked. I mean, that kind of stuff. I mean, so, dang it. Oh, man. It really, really don't bother me. It was all kinds of stuff. It's kind of funny. I mean, it's really kind of showing some ignorance, if you know what I mean. But I try to answer everyone. You get these YouTube channels that you go looking at the comments you're getting. There's some that gets, 3, 4, 5,000. Well, ain't no way I could answer them. I mean, I would try to read them all, but no more than I'm getting, 35, 40 comments. I can answer them. Try to take the high road whenever possible, if you know what I mean. It's kind of comical. My daughter, she took offense to it, and she got to comment, but we had to calm her down. It'd be all right. Dang. Myself, I never would even think about commenting some crap to somebody's channel. I mean, I just go on. But the YouTube, the algorithm, that's traffic on the comments, and it's favorable for the channel. I mean, it doesn't matter. It just, you getting traffic, So I don't know. I got the bridal joint took the top spot of all my videos on both channels. So yo-yos was it, and it was done about a year or so ago, maybe 13 months ago, maybe a little 14. But anyway, it was 17,000 something. This one went over 18. And this another one looks like it's gonna be 4,000. That's, to some channels that would be a disappointment to them. Well, to my channel, where you get anywhere from 200 to 400 views, I mean, you get 4,000. That's better, right? And then you had that one had 18. Wow. I don't know what it would take to make a living at this, but you get a sheet of Baltic birch plywood, that good stuff. I might have made enough money where I could buy a sheet of that. So, if somebody can get something and really learn something for what I'm putting out there, that's all I'm interested in. Somebody gets entertained a little bit about my silliness, that's fine. That's why I'm here. Anybody think, and I think it could be done. On that Sawdust Solutions channel, there was a period of time there that I went all in, and I got it monetized, but I'm telling you, that was all I was doing. I didn't have time for nothing else. You got to have money to make money. If I had a staff, I could see it being done, but you'd have to have the front money up, and and that. I tell people around here that come see me and everything like that this is just a hobby for me. This is what I do. If I want to take a week off and go out here and clear out a fence row or do some bush hogging, well, that's what I'm going to do. But I know it can be done, and people that says your YouTube channels, their YouTube's picking on them, I don't believe that, because it doesn't behoove them. If you're not monetized, they don't have to share the profits from the revenue of the ads. So why would they? Okay, they're a small channel, we're going to keep them small. I just don't believe that, because I was on the way, and if I stuck with it, but it's like you're working. I mean, it's a job. However, If I was going to work that hard, I never would have retired. I'd stayed at work. It's just a hobby for me, and I'm happy. I hope people watching are happy. What to see, a little bit of enjoyment here and there, talk about what's going on. And if y'all have a subject y'all want to talk about, leave a comment down there and we'll see if we can't hit it. But this is what this channel's for. Keep me comfortable in front of the camera, which for me was a job. I'm more comfortable than I was, but I went back and looked at some where I first started. It's helped me standing here and talking in front of the camera. It has helped me. I could see that. But still, it is just a hobby, if you know what I mean. So I am working on, I didn't even know anything about it. I never heard of them. SteamPunk Gears and Cogs. And it was this, now I went to investigating, and they sent me that picture of that because there's so many different things. I mean, there's so many variables. You can do anything you want. Something to this side with 1,000 little bitty gears, or something big like this, or so they sent me that picture and I had an idea what they wanted. Of course, I went ahead and built it. But it's like the cliffhanger. The cliffhanger looked good, but y'all seen where when they painted that thing, he just came to life. And it's going to be the same thing. Once they paint this and decorate it up, it's going to come to life. It's going to be a whole lot prettier. But I'm not much of a painter or an artist, but the ones who painted that cliffhanger, yeah, they're artists. But anyway, I'm going to leave that with you on this one. I hope y'all having a wonderful day, and I will catch you on the next one. But leave me a comment. Tell me how you think I'm doing. Either way, doesn't matter. And I will catch you on the next one.